just got done with a little project. We went to the beach a couple of weeks ago, and so we brought back some rocks and stuff. Just made a little fountain here to kind of remind us of our travels. I was going to take it apart and show everybody exactly how we did it. I'm just going to tell everybody now because I finally got my water right. So we picked up these rocks on the beach. They got holes in them and everything like that. And what I did was I took my drill right here and took me a masonry bit, and I had to turn my drill down to get through them. If I turned it up on high speed up on here, it wouldn't go through them. It'd just sit there and twist. But I turned it down on about number 9, about medium, and they just went right through them and everything. So I drilled every hole down every rock. Okay, found that pot there. I put some hydrostatic cement in the hole, the drainage hole, and a little bit of Flex Seal to seal the water and everything, so it's sealed good. The pump is like a small 50-gallon per hour pump. You can actually find them on Amazon for about $8.99 to $10.99, real cheap. I had to buy a whole thing of hose, which was $6. That's a 3/8 inch diameter on the outside. And all I did was put my pump in the bottom. I took some treated wood and I made 2. That's the inside dimensions of my pot, okay? Pot gets smaller as it goes down. I made 2 of them out of some treated lumber. And I think this is called a lap joint, I believe. So what I did, and I just roughed one out right here for you. You can see I set my saw depth down to about halfway, and then you just do the other one. You know, you just take your saw, and I won't do it here real quick, but I'll show you. Set your saw depth and everything, and then you just knock them out. Of course, you get your chisel. Well, it broke on me, but you get your chisel and you lap it like that to where it's even. And since I measured this, both of them like this, and the pot's going down, when you put these in, they wedge about right in here. They wedge good and strong. About right in here, they wedge tight. So it's a good tight fit. So then I got some hardware cloths. It's right over here. We'll go right over here. And I just marked it out and cut it. So I was out of it, so I had to buy a whole roll of 1/4 inch hardware cloth and a whole roll of tubing. I've got enough of this stuff now to do probably 30 fountains. But I'll find a use for it. So, but you can just get it, just say in a 2-foot by 2-foot section. But that's all they had this evening at Lowe's. They just had this roll, so I got it. So anyway, I couldn't find my snips to cut it with, and so I used my clippers, and it cut it. It didn't do a great job, but it did cut it and everything like that. But so we just put the hardware cloth there. You can see parts of it right there. You can see parts of it in there. And I would take it all apart, but like I said, I finally got my flow right and everything, and because the first time I did it, it shot up about this high and just went everywhere. The water just went everywhere. So I did it, you know, and I got a little rock set here, you know, and you can see how it coming out and everything. But I just covered it up, and that way it slows the flow down. But a little tabletop fountain. Like I said, you buy your stuff on Amazon, you're going to spend less than 20 bucks on this thing. A little bit of time, maybe 30-40 minutes, a real easy project. I just like the rocks with all the holes and everything in them. You know, so we picked up the shells there on the beach and everything, and we just stuck them up there. Nothing's glued or anything. You know, you can arrange it any way you want to arrange it. It's just how I throw them up there. Little tabletop fountain, guys. So I mean, you could do it out of river rocks. Like I said, your masonry bits, all you need, drill, and it'll go right through some softer rocks, you know, any of your river rocks or anything like that. You can stack them up. You could use just about anything you want to make any type of little table fountain. But a little table fountain, try it. It's a simple project. Like I said, the only thing that I had trouble with was getting my water flow right, because, you know, I finally got my rocks stacked up and everything like that, and it let it just settle down, and it's just doing this. So we're gonna leave it just like that. If you like it, guys, like, subscribe, comment. Everybody have a great day. Everybody have a great day. Like I said, another fountain down. We've got them all over the place now. We've got a lot of water sounds around here. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll see you on the next project.